There's a stretch of sand off the coast of Charleston that refuses to quit. Folly Beach, part history, part heartbreak, where storms tear things down and people just build them back. I cross the Ashley River, roll through the salt marsh, and end up at the new Folly Pier, rebuilt from the bones of the old. It's a story of time, tide, and stubborn beauty, the kind of place that keeps whispering, "Come back again." You know, I've said this before, but whoever invented heated grips is absolutely a genius. So, as mentioned, a little cool today. I do have my summer riding gloves on just because I like the feel of them on the grips. So on my heavier gloves, you lose a lot of that touch. And to be able to click on the heated grips is really quite a convenience. So I'm going to go ahead and merge over into the right lane. Good thing I did a head check on that. That guy was riding in my blind spot, just cruising along, not a care in the world. So we're getting ready to turn here and cross the Ashley River. Try to give you a little bit of a view of that as we cross it. Try to give you a little bit of a view of that Ashley River. Somebody out boating today. Then on the left down there, you can see the Cooper River Bridge, partially shrouded in fog and clouds. Start to see some of the marshes and the views around. You know, every town has its rhythm. Some shout it out, some sell it. Folly Beach, it just hums it, low and easy, like a song you half remember. The name Folly goes back to the 1600s, when English settlers found this island thick with trees and undergrowth, a wild tangle. They called it a folly. But words change. Now, folly means something else. A foolish risk, a beautiful mistake. Maybe that's what this place still is. A strip of sand where people keep building, losing, and starting again. I've ridden this road more times than I can count, across the causeway, through the salt grass, with that mix of salt and freedom in the air. But a few more turns, and Folly's not too far away. A little rough, a little real, and always itself. So I've just met up with my friend Stacy. He's got a Royal Enfield Classic 350, and he gets out quite a bit and been doing riding. If you look at some of my history back on YouTube, you'll see that he and I have taken a couple of rides, and one of them specifically, we went out to Edisto Island, one of my favorite spots out there, and went out and had lunch and went to the Edisto Island Presbyterian Church and really had a great visit out there. Nice. Again, Ashley River. Nice little on-ramp. It's a great chance to test the quick shift. Beautiful Charleston Harbor. You know, Folly Island is built on salt and sand and stubbornness. Nothing out here lasts forever. Not the piers, not the bars, not even the shoreline, but somehow Folly always comes back. And that's what this coast out here does. It erases and it reminds. McKelvin's Surf Shop, one of the institutions here.
He will create those actions while I was listed up. That wasn't your advice, though.
Yeah, it's just fishing, I guess. Beautiful day. The Folly Beach Pier has had quite a life. The original pier was built in 1931. Part dance hall, part escape from the city. It burned, rebuilt, and then Hurricane Hugo tore it apart in 1989. What you see here reopened in 2023. Stronger, smarter, a little less romantic, but still Folly. Down this stretch of beach, just a little bit south of the pier, stood a restaurant known as the Atlantic House. It was opened in the 1970s, but it was gone by 2009. I remember its deck, slanted, crooked, and perfect in its own way. The ocean took it, as it takes everything eventually. Folly's charm is in what it loses and still manages to keep.
stormy skies on wings of flame. I carve my path, no fear, no shame.